Matt from the product team at Final POS, and in this video I'm going to show you how to bulk import your products when you're setting up Final POS for the first time or migrating from any other POS system. So I'm here in the merchant hub of my company. I'm going to head over to settings in the left sidebar, and there you can find import export. So here is where you can bring in your data by uploading CSV, Excel, JSON, or pasting from a spreadsheet. And on the next screen, you need to choose what collection you want to bring data into. You can also see the number of records that already exist in that collection. So here is where you can drag and drop your file or paste from a spreadsheet. If you're not sure how your file should be structured, there's a download products template link at the bottom over here. You can either use that as a starting point, or if you already have a file that has different column names, no worries, you can still upload that file, and in the next steps you'll manually map all the fields. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload my demo products CSV. So here you can see the system automatically matched my files columns with the product fields in Final POS. Most columns have been mapped correctly: product name, SKU, barcode, so on. However, you can see a warning over here. It says one required field unmapped, price. That's because in my spreadsheet that column was called selling value instead of price, so the system didn't recognize it. I'm gonna go ahead and use this drop-down to manually map it to price. You can see the fields that are marked with asterisk are the required fields. All other fields are optional. You can also see there's a field here called supplier name that doesn't have any matching product fields in Final POS. So I'm gonna just go ahead and skip it and move on. So here you can see a preview of all your rows with a validation check. Most rows have appeared with a green check mark. However, any rows with missing required fields will be flagged. In this case, this row has a missing product name and price. You can either go ahead and manually enter those values over here, or you can just leave it unchecked and continue with the rest. If any of the products you're trying to import already exists in the system, Final POS is gonna flag that as duplicate and asks you how you want to handle that. So you can either overwrite it, which means the new row will replace the existing one. You can create a new row alongside the existing one. You can merge them, or you can just skip the new one and leave the existing row as is, and continue. Once the import finishes, you'll see a summary of how many products were created, updated, skipped, and how many failed. And if you ever go back to the import-export main page, you can see every import is logged with a date, so you can later review what data you have brought in and when. And that's all there's to know. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.